Hello there, HVAC and appliance repair business owners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something special just for you. We know that managing and promoting your business online can be a challenge, which is why we've put together a comprehensive guide that's tailored to your needs. Let's dive right into the rundown. Point number 1, we're giving you a brief overview of Citysearch and why it's a game changer for businesses like yours. Point number 2, we're delving into the significance of accurate business listings, a crucial factor in boosting your online visibility. Next up, point number 3, comprehensive guide to adding your HVAC and appliance repair business listing. We're breaking down the entire process step by step, making it easy for you to expand your digital presence. Within preparing to add a business listing, we're helping you research and gather essential business information. Plus, we're sharing tips on building an effective online presence. And don't miss point 4.3, where we reveal the cornerstone of success, the harmony of NAP consistency. Want to add 10 plus locations to Citysearch hassle-free? Point number 5 is all about submitting data via data aggregators. Now, let's jump into the practical side of things. Point number 6 and 7, how to add a new business listing to Citysearch and how to claim an existing Citysearch business listing. We've got you covered on both fronts. Optimizing your Citysearch business listing. Point number 8's got your back. Learn about encouraging customer reviews, utilizing keywords for better search visibility, and more. And finally, we wrap things up with our conclusion, where we highlight the key takeaways and recap the journey you'll embark on. Don't forget, there's more to explore. Check out our other posts related to business listings for additional insights and strategies. And hey, are you ready to take your business to the next level? Let us handle the digital landscape for you. Reach out for your free digital marketing review session. Details in the description below. Before you go, a quick favor, give this video a thumbs up if you found it valuable. Don't forget to share it with fellow business owners who could benefit from this guide. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with more tips and insights. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.